Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my EVS class. Okay, so children, this is page number 171 of your test book. Let's do the recap of the chapter before we do the fill in the blanks and question and answers and write yes or no. Okay, let's see. About myself. What is about myself? Introducing myself. And in the introduction, what we do? We describe ourselves to help others know us better. Okay, how others will know us better? We have to tell them about oneself. Okay, so we give the introduction. And in that, what can we say? Name, age, birthday, place of residence. Residence means where you live. Okay, house. School, hobbies, nickname, your pet if you have any, brothers and sister. So this all things can be there in your introduction. And also things we like a lot are called our favorite things. You can also include your favorite things in your introduction. Okay. Now 2 word meanings are given here. Have a look. Introduce, to tell someone about yourself. That is introduce or introduction we give to others. Okay. Next one here, children, it is written forward. Just cut it once. And this word is given wrong. So you are going to write here favorite. Okay. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. The word should be favorite. Favorite, things we like more than others. I repeat, favorite means things we like more than others. Okay. Now, come to questions. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. Thanks. The new girl in the society is Riya. R-I-Y-A. Riya. You remember we have introduced ourselves to Riya. Okay, in the first class. Okay, and while writing Riya, remember you have to write R capital as it is a name of a girl. Remember English we have done, it is a naming word. It is a noun, and wherever noun is there, proper noun, so we are going to write here R capital. Okay, whenever you write any name, your name or any other name, then we always write first letter capital. Okay, so the second one, she is dash years old. We have to write about Riya. Okay, so we are going to write here F-I-V-E 5. She is 5 years old. And the third one, she studies in, remember in which grade she was? Grade 1. G-R-A-D-E, grade. Leave some space. O-N-E 1. Grade 1. I repeat, the new girl in the society is Riya. She is 5 years old. She studies in grade 1. And how do we know all these things about Riya? Because Riya has introduced herself, right? So we know all these things about Riya. Now come to question number 2, that is B question. Write yes or no. Riya's nickname is Shanky. So children, Riya's nickname is Shanky. This statement is wrong. So we are going to write here N-O, no. As Riya has told us that her nickname is Pinky. So Shanky is wrong. So we have written here N-O, no. Come to the second one. Her birthday is in April. So children, this statement, her birthday is in April, is correct. So we are going to write yes. And how do we know this? Riya has given us the introduction, and in that she told us that her birthday is in April. Now come to the third one. Riya likes singing. So this statement is wrong. Riya likes singing. I'm going to write here no, because Riya likes to dance and paint. Okay? Okay, come to the next one. See question. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Question number 1 is Riya a boy or a girl? A girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Is Riya a boy or a girl? A girl. Write the same thing as I have written. Now the second one. What is Riya's pet cat's name? So Riya has told us she had a pet and its name was Kitty. K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty. Okay, write K capital, children, as it is a name. What is Riya's pet cat's name? Kitty. K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty. Now come to the third question. How old is Riya's elder brother? Riya has told us about this also. Do you remember? And the answer is 10 years old. Okay? I repeat. Is Riya a boy or a girl? The answer is a girl. What is Riya's pet cat's name? Kitty. K will be capital. K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty. Third one. Okay, ma'am. I will just have a talk with him. Okay, the third one. How old is Riya's elder brother? The answer is 10 years old. You remember? Riya has told us I have an elder brother, Ronnie. He is 10 years old. Okay, so we are going to write here 10 years old. So hereby we complete this page, children. So hereby we complete our class, children. Hope you must have enjoyed. Thank you very much.